more beautiful now?
Half of it.
Yeah. We do another side.
The reason why I signed up for this course is I have basic knowledge about facial massage. It's just that I want to know more about points, and when I saw the advert of Mojin, so it actually gave me an interest that I want to learn more using gua sha and this Mojin. When I was throughout the course, throughout the session, when we do half the face, I actually can see the difference. You see, because one of my issue in my face is water retention. So after doing one side, I can see that it has reduced compared to the other side. So I think there are some magical things happen.
Yeah, magical. Because her hand is magical now.
So I think with more practice and more doing it, and now I know how to use this, I think it will help more on my facial retention, water retention.
So how do you find the trainer?
Trainer is very good. He explains clearly and he's very calm, and then he teach thoroughly so that both of us I understand properly.